Today, I would like to talk about a basic guide on Quick Assist. It gives you and the person you are trying to help a code to remote into another user's PC. Quick Assist is a built-in feature in Windows that allows you to remotely connect to another PC. So, if you're the go-to tech guru among your friends or family, this tool can be a game changer. Whether you're helping someone set up a new app or fixing a pesky issue, Quick Assist lets you take control of their PC from the comfort of your own. Now, where can you find this magical tool? Well, it's conveniently located in the Windows Store. Simply head to the store, search for Quick Assist, and download the app. It's that simple. Once installed, you're ready to lend a helping hand. You'll be guiding others through their tech troubles in no time. So, the next time your grandma needs help with her settings or your friend can't figure out an error message, fire up Quick Assist and be the hero they need.
Please don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button.